Terbine, driving the evolution towards electric and autonomous mobility. Nowhere will the impact of AI be more visible or more profound than in the world of machines. From humanoid robots to aerial drones and autonomous vehicles, intelligent machines are rapidly becoming part of everyday life. But as their numbers grow, a critical challenge emerges, orchestrating how they interact, move, and share environments with humans. Today, the world focuses on making machines work individually. Terbine is focused on making them work together. Terbine is at the forefront of this evolution, creating the first intelligent orchestration layer for the rapidly growing electric and autonomous mobility ecosystem. The first step is supervision. Terbine's AI-driven platform is revolutionizing how EV charging infrastructure is monitored and managed, improving uptime, coordinating across networks, and ensuring that when a driver arrives, the charger works. By integrating real-time data from sensors, clouds, and vehicles, Terbine's supervisory layer discovers and addresses 9 key failure modes, far beyond the reach of traditional systems and protocols. The result? A frictionless, dependable charging experience, laying the groundwork for future autonomous infrastructure. But solving today's charging bottlenecks is just the beginning. Next comes synchronization. As electric fleets grow and new energy models emerge, Terbine's platform will dynamically coordinate machines, people, and infrastructure, including vehicle-to-grid energy transfers, real-time load balancing for charging equipment, and routing of vehicles to charging stations that are monitored in real time to ensure that a charger is ready when drivers get there and will work with their vehicle, all while ensuring data privacy, regulatory compliance, and operational efficiency powered by agentic AI at the mobile edge. This will lead to network-supported improvements to advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, further boosting safety and efficiency. By intelligently interacting with the new generation of software-defined and connected vehicles, Terbine isn't just solving problems. We're unlocking entirely new business models for electric and autonomous mobility. The ultimate leap is orchestration, enabling millions of machines of all types to move, cooperate, and transact autonomously. Imagine autonomous cars, buses, drones, delivery, and residential robots seamlessly sharing streets and skies through dynamic micro-geofencing, ad hoc platooning, and real-time interactions, all orchestrated by Terbine's distributed AI-powered system. Much like how Swift facilitates global transactions between banks or air traffic control coordinates the skies, Terbine will orchestrate autonomous mobility in all of its forms, becoming the trusted digital backbone for billions of daily machine transactions. The Terbine platform's modular architecture incorporates key elements designed to operate both in the cloud and at the network edge, where sensor fusion and rapid processing can occur. The result will be ultra-fast interactions with moving machines, enabling many new applications. This is edge hyperscaling in action, distributed intelligence that will power the autonomous world. The future of mobility isn't just about machines moving, it's about machines thinking, collaborating, and building trust at scale. Terbine, driving the evolution towards electric and autonomous mobility.